If you've been munching on yuca without much thought to its preparation, it's time to shake things up. Begin with a kilo of this tuber, selecting only the firmest and spotless pieces for the best quality. The initial step is crucial. When you slice the yuca into manageable chunks, you'll notice that peeling becomes significantly easier, setting the stage for even cooking. Nestle the yuca pieces in a large pot, immerse them in cold water, and season with salt. This is the moment where your culinary creativity can shine. Feel free to infuse the water with aromatic herbs or bold spices that suit the final dish you're envisioning. Monitor the yuca as it boils. Once it reaches that ideal state of tenderness, cooked through yet retaining a slight firmness, promptly remove it from the pot. Overcooking is the bane of yuca, turning it into an unappetizing mush, so be vigilant. After draining, the next step is to remove the central fibrous vein. Slice an onion into thin strips. If you can get your hands on a red one, its robust flavor and vivid hue will make a significant difference. However, in its absence, a white onion will suffice. Pair this with a finely diced red bell pepper, aiming for uniform cubes that promise a delightful blend of crunch and sweetness with every mouthful. Heat a skillet and add a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. This isn't just any oil. Its rich taste and aroma are akin to liquid gold in the culinary world. Once hot, introduce the garlic, onion, and bell pepper to the pan. The heat should be just right, enthusiastic enough to sizzle, but gentle enough to coax out the flavors without scorching. This slow dance of sautéing brings out a natural caramelization in the onions, sweetening the sofrito subtly. Cooking is more than just a task, it's an international dialogue of flavors. So as I stir the sofrito, I think of the diverse palates and cultures that will savor this dish. Once the sofrito reaches that perfect harmony of softness and golden color, it's time for the lemon. A squeeze of this citrus not only brightens the dish, but also slices through the richness, balancing every flavor note. Fine-tune the seasoning with an extra pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, elevating the yuca from humble roots to gourmet heights. Finally, marry the vibrant sofrito with the boiled yuca. Watch as the colors meld and the textures blend, creating a dish that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my friends Hernandez in the Dominican Republic, Rosaura Zamora in Costa Rica, and Virginia Rios in Puerto Rico. Their unique culinary perspectives add depth and richness to this global tapestry of taste. A scattering of chopped cilantro provides a final flourish, its freshness lifting the dish, although parsley can stand in for a more subdued note if preferred. When this recipe first graced my kitchen, it was met with unanimous acclaim. It's a dish that promises to win hearts and palates, and I have no doubts it will earn its place among your culinary favorites. So go ahead, give it a try, and share your experiences.